Hello, and welcome back to Speak English Podcast, your space to listen, repeat, shadow, and learn English at a slow, natural pace. I'm Ella, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. In this episode, I will speak slowly. I will use clear and simple words. I will also repeat ideas so you can shadow my voice, practice your speaking, and build your confidence step by step. Today, we will talk about how to introduce yourself in English, not just short answers like, "My name is," but full sentences and real conversations. By the end of this episode, you will be able to introduce yourself in English with confidence and sound natural. So let's begin. Why is it important to practice introducing yourself? Because introductions happen all the time, at school, at work, in meetings, in travel, online, everywhere. If you can introduce yourself clearly, you can make a good first impression. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be clear, simple, and confident. Think about it. When you meet someone, what do they usually ask first? What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? These are simple questions, but if you practice your answers before, you will feel relaxed and ready. And here's the best part. When you practice introducing yourself, you also practice real, useful English. English that you can use right away in real life. Let's try an example. Someone asks you, "Can you tell me about yourself?" You can say, "My name is Anna. I am from Brazil. I am a teacher. I love reading and cooking." Now that's a complete answer. Simple, clear, real. And that is your goal. Even if you are at home alone, even if you don't have a teacher, you can still practice your self-introduction. So, whenever you don't know what to say, start with something simple. Ask yourself, what is my name? Where am I from? What do I do every day? What do I enjoy in my free time? These are good practice questions. They help you remember vocabulary, they help you build habits, and they help you think in English without stress. Now, let's practice together. I will say a sentence slowly, and you repeat after me. This is called shadowing. You listen, then repeat. You can even pause the audio if you need more time. Ready? Let's go. My name is Ella. My name is Ella. I am from Spain. I am from Spain. I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. I live in London now. I live in London now. I am an English teacher. I am an English teacher. I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading books. I like listening to music. I like listening to music. I enjoy cooking in my free time. I enjoy cooking in my free time. I love traveling to new places. I love traveling to new places. I am happy to meet you. I am happy to meet you. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. I study computer science. I study computer science. I am a university student. I am a university student. I work as a nurse in a hospital. I work as a nurse in a hospital. I love spending time with my family. I love spending time with my family. I am learning English to get a better job. I am learning English to get a better job. I practice English by listening to podcasts. I practice English by listening to podcasts. I practice speaking with my friends. I practice speaking with my friends. Great job! You did it! Remember, every time you repeat, your English becomes stronger. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The important thing is you are speaking. You are practicing. You are improving. Keep going. Keep believing in yourself. Step by step, one sentence at a time, you are becoming more confident in English. And I am proud of you.
Now let's practice a short story about introducing yourself. You can listen, pause, and shadow each sentence. Hello, my name is Ella. I'm from Spain, but I live in London now. I work as an English teacher. I help students practice speaking every day. In my free time, I like cooking, walking in the park, and watching movies. I enjoy learning about different cultures and meeting new people. That's a little about me. Well done. That's a full self-introduction.
Now let's hear another example. Listen carefully, pause if you need to, and shadow each sentence.
Hello, my name is David. I am from Canada, and I live in Toronto. I work as a graphic designer in a small company. My job is creative. I design logos, posters, and websites for clients. In my free time, I enjoy playing the guitar and writing songs. Sometimes I play music with my friends on the weekend. I also enjoy watching football and cheering for my favorite team. I am learning English because I want to travel more and meet people from different countries. That's a little about me. Great job! Did you notice? David's introduction is simple, but it gives us a clear picture of who he is. You can do the same. Now let's listen to one more introduction. Again, listen first, then shadow each sentence. Hello, my name is Asha. I come from Egypt, and I live in Cairo with my family. I am a university student. I study medicine because I want to become a doctor. I usually spend my mornings at the university and my afternoons in the library. In my free time, I like reading novels and learning new languages. I enjoy cooking traditional Egyptian food with my mother. Sometimes I also teach my younger brother how to speak English. I am learning English because I want to work in international hospitals and help more people. That's a little about me. Excellent work. You just shadowed 3 different introductions: Ella's, David's, and Aisha's. Each one is unique, but all of them are clear and natural. Remember, your introduction does not need to be long. It just needs to be real. Talk about your name, your country, your job or studies, and 1 or 2 hobbies. That's enough to start a good conversation. You can mix ideas from Ella, from David, or from Aisha. Or you can create your own style. The important thing is speak, repeat, practice. Believe in yourself. And don't forget, every time you shadow, your voice becomes stronger, your English becomes smoother, and your confidence grows.
Now it's your turn. Pause this episode for a moment. Try to introduce yourself out loud. Say your name. Say where you are from. Say what you do. Say what you like. It doesn't matter if it's short. The important thing is to speak. Okay, let's practice some sentence starters together. I will say the beginning and you finish the sentence. My name is, I come from, I live in, I work as, in my free time, I like to. Very good. These are simple, but they help you build full sentences. Now let's imagine a real situation. You are meeting someone new at a language class. They ask, "Can you introduce yourself?" And you answer, "Hello, my name is Sarah. I come from India. I'm a university student. In my free time, I enjoy playing the guitar and spending time with friends. Nice to meet you." That's polite, friendly, and clear. Okay, let's review. Today you learned how to introduce yourself in English. You practiced simple sentences, you shadowed my voice, and you spoke about your name, your country, your job, and your hobbies. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just speak. Use the English you know. The more you practice, the more natural you will sound. So here's your homework. After this episode, stand in front of a mirror and introduce yourself in English. Do it 3 times. Each time, add a little more detail. For example, first time, just name and country. Second time, add your job. Third time, add your hobbies or your personality. This will help you build confidence step by step. Great work today. You listened, you repeated, you shadowed, and you practiced speaking. That's real progress. You are not just studying English, you are using English. You are living in English, 1 sentence at a time. Keep practicing your introduction until it feels natural.
Come back to this episode and listen again, shadow again, and add more details each time. This is Speak English Podcast. I'm Ella, and I'm proud of your effort. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.